Some nights, the body feels heavier than the day deserves. Pain lingers quietly, even when the room is still. You try to rest, but discomfort keeps whispering. Healing feels slow, and hope feels tired. You've been strong for a long time. You've carried aches no one else sees. You've learned how to smile through it. You wonder if relief will ever come. Tonight, this prayer is a soft place to rest, a moment where you don't have to carry it alone. Welcome to Spiritually United, where hearts find peace and souls feel at home.
Dear God, as this night settles gently around us, we come just as we are, worn, hopeful, tired in body and spirit. You see every place that hurts, every ache that has lasted longer than expected, every quiet fear that rises when the lights go out. Lay your healing hand upon this body. Move through muscles, bones, and breath. Bring comfort where there's pain. Bring rest where there's tension.
Let this night be safe. Let the body soften. Let healing begin, even now. Lord, as the night grows quieter, we breathe a little slower now. The room feels still, and for a moment, the world waits with us. We place our pain before you, not with many words, just with honest hearts. You know the history of every wound. You remember when it began.
Let your peace move gently through this body. Ease inflammation. Calm nerves that ache and tremble. Restore strength where weakness has settled. Jeremiah 30:17. But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord. God, let that promise rest softly tonight. Let it sink deeper than worry, deeper than fear. As the body lies here in the dark, invite healing to begin quietly, not rushed, not forced, just steady and kind. Cover this night with comfort. Guard every breath, and let rest come easily, like a gentle tide returning to shore.
God, the night feels deeper now. Thoughts slow down. The body listens more closely. We let the day fade away. The conversations, the worries, the moments that asked too much. Here in this quiet space, we allow you to work gently, not with force, but with patience and care. Touch places that feel stiff and sore. Soothe the areas that throb without warning. Bring warmth where there is cold tension. Bring ease where the body has learned to brace itself. For those lying awake because of pain, be their comfort. For those afraid of tomorrow's strength, be their reassurance. Let every breath become slower. Let the jaw unclench. Let shoulders fall heavy into rest.
Remind this body it is safe. Remind this heart it is not forgotten. As sleep begins to arrive, let healing continue quietly beneath the surface, working even while the mind rests, working in ways unseen. Stay near through the night, Lord. Hold us gently and let peace settle in fully. Lord, the night is holding us now. Breath by breath, the body is learning how to let go. In this stillness, we invite your healing deeper, into places time has worn thin, into memories the body remembers as pain. You are gentle. You do not rush what is tender. You work with wisdom and care. Isaiah 40:29. He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Let that strength flow quietly tonight, not loud, not overwhelming, just enough for this moment. Support every joint, renew tired muscles, calm the rhythm of the heart, Steady the breath as sleep draws closer. For those who feel fragile, be their firmness. For those who feel discouraged, be their steady light. Let the mind rest without replaying pain. Let the body trust the night again. Let healing continue gently, even in the deepest hours of sleep. Remain here, God, watching, restoring, holding us in your peaceful care. Lord, the night is deep and quiet now. Everything feels slower. Even the pain has softened its voice. We rest in this moment with you. Nothing to prove, nothing to fix by ourselves. Let healing continue in gentle ways, through steady circulation, through calm nerves, through cells renewing as they were designed to do. If sleep comes lightly, bless it. If sleep comes deeply, guard it. If wakefulness lingers, let it be peaceful, not heavy. Hold this body with care. Support places that feel vulnerable. Strengthen what has grown tired over time. For anyone feeling discouraged by slow progress, whisper reassurances to their heart. Remind them that healing is still happening, even when it cannot be felt. Let the mind drift without worry. Let breathing stay smooth and easy. Let the night be kind. We trust you with these hours, with this body, with tomorrow. Remain close as rest settles in, and let peace stay through the night. Lord, the night has settled even deeper. The body rests more fully now, as if it finally believes it is allowed to soften. We stay here with you, in this quiet trust, in this gentle surrender of control. Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Let that rest move through every layer, through skin and muscle, through thoughts that once held tension, through places still learning how to heal. Ease discomfort that wakes in the dark. Calm the body's need to guard itself. Teach it again how to relax without fear. For those who feel alone in their pain, wrap them in your presence. Let them feel held, not forgotten. As sleep deepens, continue your quiet work, mending, renewing, strengthening what has been worn thin. We trust this night to you, Lord, and we rest, knowing you are still near. Lord, the hours move gently now. Time feels softer. The world outside has gone quiet, and inside, there is more space to breathe. We remain resting in your care, not asking for signs, not searching for proof, just trusting that you are here. Let the body continue to settle. Let the spine feel supported. Let the hands unclench. Let the legs grow heavy with rest. Where pain has taught this body to stay alert, teach it something new tonight. Teach it safety. Teach it peace. For minds that wake suddenly, bring calm instead of worry. For discomfort that tries to return, bring gentle relief. Let healing work quietly, the way dawn grows without sound. Slow, steady, faithful. Remind this heart it does not have to hurry. Remind this body it is not failing. Remind this soul it is deeply cared for. We stay still with you, Lord, held in the dark, covered in peace, and resting just as we are. Lord, the night is carrying us gently now. The body feels quieter. The heart feels less guarded. We rest here without effort, without expectation, just breathing in your nearness. Psalm 29:11. The Lord gives strength to his people. The Lord blesses his people with peace. Let that peace settle deeper than pain, deeper than old tension, deeper than fear that once kept us awake.
Cover every fragile place with calm. Let circulation flow smoothly. Let nerves grow still and steady. Let the body remember balance again. For those whose sleep has been broken for many nights, be their gentle restorer. For those who fear waking in discomfort, be their quiet assurance. Let the mind drift without worry to worry.
Let the breath stay slow and easy. Let healing continue its quiet work, moment by moment, unseen but faithful. We remain here with you, Lord. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. Just held through the night, safe, supported, and wrapped in peace. Lord, the night feels steady now, not empty, not heavy, just quietly present. We rest within that steadiness, within your watchful care, knowing nothing is slipping through your hands. Let the body stay loose and supported. Let small movements stay gentle. Let comfort return when turning or shifting.
Where pain once demanded attention, let it fade into the background. Where discomfort remains, let it lose its sharpness. For anyone waking briefly, let them drift back without effort. No frustration, no tension. Let the heart beat calmly. Let the breath remain even. Let sleep feel safe enough to stay.
You are still working, Lord, in places unseen, in rhythms we don't control, in ways that bring slow, lasting healing. We trust the pace of this night. We trust the process of restoration. We trust you with every quiet moment. Remain close as the hours pass. Guard this rest. Sustain this peace. And let healing continue, steady and kind, through the remaining hours of the night.
Lord, the night is nearly complete now. The darkness has done its quiet work. The body has rested longer than it has in a while. We thank you for staying close through every hour, for watching when eyes were closed, for working when nothing was felt. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Let that nearness remain as morning approaches. Carry it into waking muscles, into first breaths of a new day.
If healing feels subtle, let hope remain strong. If strength feels small, let it still be enough. Let the body rise without fear. Let the heart wake without heaviness. Seal this rest with peace. Let what you have begun continue gently, through movement, through breath, through the hours ahead. We place tomorrow in your hands, and we trust that healing does not end with the night. We'll meet again tomorrow, right here in Spiritually United, and you can explore more peaceful videos on this channel.